pre-season. Asante Kotoko. Day 3 of the pre-season. Eguswa ekoswa enye asem ketwa. Na ene champion Piaro ene oye producer extraordinaire for Asante Kotoko dwumadie no. Ze uko wura KNUS dia na se wabeti atom na ene Piaro abo adwuma. Enti yabemo details of Asante Kotoko dwumadie wonum edie no. Ene Kabiru per account about 30 players per our account. About 30 players in a room for a net training session no anope. Na anopa training no omo ye chepa anya grow. Omo ye chepa. Me pato training there. We player na umpe training, we lazy cocoon. Na onu undevza bokra. Footballer wakundia e training abaye no. Eti this account and Kotoko playing body no as a red. Technical team no as a green, as you can see in your shot. Eti Kotoko playing body no and omo edi omo red and a koye. Ushem na unse bimo di anya red a. Me pacho junior team players no, youth team players no. Wamo enyo omo nyina na wo senior team entade ne bi. Enti aya omo ehye omo so a training case no mo training no. But okay for you project at the atusiamo ya about 30 players and I want a PM ewo Pajo KNUST Pajo Park hono ewo energy and so a course enya asem keto akra ba kono park ba kono dase no ma ya to dine majo ti o Pajo na is a party ni and majo as was na me video as a na action bi because of majo but he say ball hokra enti we KNUST Pajo Park e hona Asante Kotoko training no e baso ene me pacho tienie Kotoko training no omoye bi e wa dakojache omoye bi e wo Pajo Kotoko training omoye no omoye bi e wa dakojache omoye bi e wo Pajo eti let's establish that 30 players ene omurum eba be training no. Yes, minims what dada. 3 foreign based players are part of players na a training no. 3 players are one a free outside of Ghana. But you are foreigner. Ya na normally go vajum zi ka bru chilanka za debi. Obi free Togo or a foreigner. So obi free Benin or a foreigner. So obi free Cameroon. Tibet ma catch us Cameroonian players, mienu, and 1 goalkeeper. Ewo Kotoko campus is here. One more training nibi. Omo de na ba for training observation and evaluation. To training, monitoring never koso. Monitor observation koso ya. Na Kotoko head coach Eric Tinkler and sporting director no evaluate. Omo evaluate no say ranche no money ye. You better no more to an amount of anymore. But for now, no, I have 3 players and you can say 1 foreigners or more. 1 goalkeeper, very, very tall goalkeeper. Aquano papa. Or pa na on super baby. When you patientia, one and so a PM and ya as a ketokra. Inti Stanley Menzuna, a black na or touching about ma. Abraham Genesis here, Stanley no know. Fantastic. It way Asante Kotoko. One a training no and ensem. So 3 foreign based players. Me patrocian and so say Kotoko eguso expect 3 more foreign based players. 3. Kaisa Ghana Premier League went to register only 5. Now Kotoko try and strike a bianim. Of Southern Africa. A coach and ding at the Eric Tinkler. And was suggested Adiama got company for striker. Our free southern part of Africa. He could be a South African. He could be from, let's say, Lesotho. He could be from any of the southern African nations. One more enya ISR recommendation, no, and pay for a good deal ejuma. After Matessa a skillful number 10 B so nkɔmmɔdie ɛkɔ so skillful number 10 bi all the foreign based players no pɛ deɛ mateɛ no wɔnom bɛpa aba bɛsɔ ɔmo ahoɔden ahwɛ foreign players na akɔtɔkɔ ɛde ɔmo ba no nyinaa no ɔmo bɛba bɛsɔ ɔmo ahoɔden ahwɛ ama mpanyinfoɔ aba to a conclusion sɛ wɔyɛ yɛbɛtumi no atoa so anaa wɔyɛ ntumi no ntoa so. So 3 already here. Kotoko expecting 3 more foreign players. And Sana Kotoko ameki ne onslaught no. Edi ewura the transfer market no so. Deals eso mo klosi. Deals a eso mo biebie ho no mo di ho nkomo no. Ombe biebie ho no makoso edi ho enkomo a. Eno kakra. Efiri ehoba. Yete ho 7 edi ema. So we the training session. Na eno na me di nkyeremu ama o. Sa Kotoko training no. A hybrid training and a coach Eric Tinkler or your hybrid training or more physical conditioning no more ball work Nina is a coach or duty say or by your team nim I have players in him now coach the baby yaka say me share quality wa me kwa me hia bi momfa we ama me anasa da bi we die opani say anya ntema nkɔpa bia meguma afi no ye ho bɛkyere ye pass ye last season mo ho kyere mo no entia bia ye nkɔpa we mra oh me hwɛ mu no position we ye sorted ye okay aha de on timi mfa physical conditioning america tuo ye hwiri nade ya tra nade ye si ho physical conditioning kwa coach ni timi mfa nye saa analysis ni mie enu nti ana mpanyifo ama na kwan sɛ on combine enti session awo hwe wo ball work ni bebrebe but Japan omo ye bibi interesting coach no o team omo ye ball work na 30 minutes 20 minutes no majai omo jai ya no makoye physical omo hwihwiri kakra be 20 minutes no mo sign so ekɔ ball work no in fact emfifre temranje no wow but me say emfifre wo ye footballer ade abema wo be gina Baba Sports Stadium supporters be bonse be ma kra aya adwuma den na abaye no fantastic gone are the days na Michael say ember power power US ya power eti show ipa wow ember power Roma Hill be pono yeah obakona o the bag abonachi yes so abo ne bag na abo ne anwea na tie mu odu etwe embasan no de fo be pono no si no ofo no osi na ye ne personal training na no ye o na no nka de kotoko no ember power de no ye de ye training no emfifre ne ten especially preseason no ogina park no so a abobo tumu a unu magro bia no ye di okro mo say ember utua bambi ye mo bam ni esas ye advert to mo say no de bambi e hye ne to eti otibi nyina fa akutira me to kasa enye bam na bisa panye me sa bam no wo de hye me to say ya americana na ember do me no wa condition the body no yes wa ye adwuma won the body de ho entina branch no wo ahome fantini be kasa o ahom a branch no wo endurance sure to pia ball no tuma and the famous example of Adia Michael say Ember Sunny training at the man here Kotoko versus Santos South Africa FMB Stadium near Bob Tuna Samba air running for the bar branch and person watching na Samba Jeno and we call or running outside the field of play no be pick ball yeah or running outside sure to say them maybe Gary Bale say or dodge tackle na branch person watching no but Ember so the ball no kwa Kotoko go enti sa training na Asante Kotoko na bujapanyi se unima abeka say coach and now born voice was say we are not going to kill you but we'll kill you after the first day inverted commas begin and close. He's using that word in as a figure of speech figurative they need to kill the laziness in some of the players. They need to kill the fact that players be put on weight. They be more overweight. Yeah. They need to kill that. Sure. They need to ensure say Kotoko play and a sharp. Na nebu Japan me dim come on Eric Tinkler asye.
The original fella man.
I'm just playing some example.
Pepe Suarez.
Eric Tinkler and then the director of football say. Omo bono mpeso omo bono. Omo pe quick transition. Okay. It in next season. Se coach ni wiye ni bi na wo hwa Asante Kotoko player. a quick transition. Wamu turn defense into attacker. The face, ebe change it with some rapidity. A mirikaso ntantem so. Entina coach na working on the fitness of the players. That be that quick. Park so the man. Ni play na a possession-based football with speed. Nice. People possession football. Among first speed in count, they wear you down. Yeah. Spain for the enemy. Ball around you on his way. What to be kakwa near the wakwa FO cover 3 and wagina. But where the a quick transition and a coach a person but antisadia. Emrantiano. Young Musuomo. Emrantian shake you. Emrantian make sure, sir, Omo Asher, they will shed the excess weight, the excess fat, everything, and you will not do that during the season. Fantastic. You will do that during the preseason. Say, see how they are playing training or more. So, be Vienna's and one of the year, a channel could die more match. Yes. But, see, a quiet giddy in the course of the season. A bema any problem. Now, I trust what the coach is doing, and this is why I'm Japan. Nice one. But Mensa last season, I was Asante Kotoko. Preseason, I got physical instructors be from South Africa. Some American. Yeah. Omo went to achieve from the 95 ABC Herbert by Konubia Bekai Sasim we say. Okofa physical instructors. Now there was something that was strange about that Kotoko team. You bought match you over Baba Sports Stadium. Win, lose, draw. Now Kotoko for that started no you warm up almost say physicals. When Herbert Mensa moved from Asante Kotoko to King Faisal, he brought a different set of physical trainers. Yeah. Now, King Faisal team no, no. Talk to any coach at that time no Ghana Premier League. One coach I say, was it King Faisal for about 300 minutes of football. Omombre, energy no the best touch no. And no you did baby game. This season no Uber King Faisal. Every 75th minute I kono, we least mistake King Faisal be go. And yes, I didn't be an opinion did Eric Tinkler. Of the opinion or the air person. Makase Bia or special training in physical conditioning, Bia. Because he's on top of it. Okay. Onim dio yeah. I remember conditioning on endurance level, a pager. And that's exactly what coach at the team at the Eric Tinkler. Oh yeah. Fantastic. Oh yeah, physical as the Japan ball work, as I say, a course. 80 and that training session, of course, who say because Chamo and Yan Chamas and Pacho. One more specific instructions. So sometimes Omuake over the flanks, not crosses number. Omuake born ever flanks or not deliveries number. Yeah. But who's a place in United as every so 80 Omu a special work on crosses and how they would deal with it. Or pursue who's an strikers, more ability, area ability at the same. So the coach, I will a Juma in the next 2-3 weeks. Mami Zanka, you say 2-3 weeks. He will be in a position to evaluate and say, "Kwampuku are very good in the air, and I Kwame air no nyade." But said you see jumping, your policy na ebe. Abrante we are very good with crosses, but the crosses normally or body see players nechi, and it is not a problem of a player who cannot cross the ball, but a player who ought to be taught where to cross the ball to. Nice one. Send one and 9 and 4 more cross now. Emma born and Trebi. Send one and 9 more cross now. Emma born and goalkeeper also. Because you say a penny can cross. The coach is doing many things at a time. A lot of different things at a time. And a coach in the air. Now, because after 3 weeks, on the report, I got the board, through the director of football, or presented to the director of football. Then the director of football, together with the coach, we share the executive chairman. Probably they can even meet the board and then discuss with them. In Tijuana, I'm ready about Pepe this year, Janakwaya. No, be so Pepe Suarez, ye Janakwaya, or Majiatu. Yeah. You see. Because ye ja pepe kwantino. Ye be yasi ade Kabiru eba. In terms of what do we do about Kabiru? So my second supporters first week second week yi there second to akọ sign wey especially e we local scene no on te bebrebe
Okay.
foreign players na omo ba omo ba ye training observations no omo de ebi be wo 3 edi kan aba wadamfo na ode mbela ne mfege ba no mates ode striker bi aba.
Wow.
Enti 3 foreign based players already in. 3 more foreign based players ebeba. Ni nyina na observation.
Okay.
Am panyfo ye. Omo ye wie no omo se modern so ani a then the board will proceed. Abuso panyi board no sikasam se bia e sika na ni ontina omo nto player no mpacho anjeza. Na ade ba kwa history ame kotoko minim ade se ye yi obi aso e kotoko chairman first season of Japan jai. Udi agro wakoto si ro kra de abrao. Normal.
Sure.
And yeah, na they spend with the thinking that said Messi has spent the starting season ayaje. It ye kwani nim na masa fe was all this cannibal o yes one spend bi ma na onu 18 unkomo kakra. But there's no problem with say sikara kotoko spending no and problematic. There's no problem with that. And the board the executive chairman of the club are ready to spend
Fantastic.
on Asante Kotoko one recruitment. But the entire unya unzi akoto we no ene msepanyi mabie so ede amanoti sa particular video we kabiru started for franka the pepper ubon quick transition America no quick when coach nka so wie we na chese but opeso who the intelligence level of the players.
Okay.
Their ability to learn eti kabiru start this particular video was a partner we turn part and they think that bet me at transit into opposition area no with some few touches no madru opposition area was a the born echo akwa there one person born so we example of sa quick transitional passes now not one ebon and how they turn very quickly o 10 ya now their movie no so aje no turn no their movie. That is exactly what coach you know the penny one omo egusu a omo ya enya asem for now there enya na we ya de na we nya de da bi ade na wo ye no obi wo a de aka che so onye no u gina kire na wo hwa beka so onya de so nipa de aka che so onye wa be gina kire aka so onya de enne so onye but ye kwayanim no you piece everything together it will begin to make a lot of sense to you ye kwayanim ani akeka nyina boma bo so okay say na no mpeso mo ye afi no wate ase
Yeah.
anti eno ani adwuma buzapanyi womo ani abre ewo ahye wo
Nice.
still training no yemfa nto dwa say morning and afternoon session.
Okay.
Or bit maka say morning and evening session mienu and a players no for now coach na ade omo fam na ye player na so o bra minti obi akra nka coach na buzapanyi or run across ade no mo joro kra o bre pa o Tinkler himself am say ne condition was ropa because o tumrika o park ni so bi no aba no afa no aba enya asem keto akra o tim say ono so ewo endurance level na what a training emranche na ewo abusua panyi some example
Richard Pepe should arrest the fella man.
Kotoko omo epe some no am catch omo pe center backs Kotoko ti ya yi enya a foreign national on a free transfer top notch.
The original fella man.
The Hamza Samba type of
Defender.
outside free agent.
Oh.
But yeah, I say uyi free no.
Wow.
Branch ba obeku free any there. More than 2 years on one side. The first season no. What boy we are atentam no. What the second season where's over stand ozo nya abotre. Me agent ni ho. Me manager tu kwan. Omo de saa because baby o won saa no de aye omo no person oba. But there be am catch us any project bia na o yes our project no with the notion say player bia na ekoton no we out de giade. Player bi a we de giade. Eti enkomo a ekoso e wasante korokwaso e bizapanyi. Ebi e na mapone enso e de amawa. Enya sem keto akwa. Now goalkeeper na waba no. And also another goalkeeper we wait me aba.
Wow.
Aye. Goalkeeper were very slim and the physique no ne stature no gina wa and convincing penny for sa.
Wow.
Unzana Kamara wa pa, but no so nani modu.
Yeah.
We all what, but very slim,
Tall.
lanky.
Lanky.
Yeah, tall, lanky goalkeeper. But said American unyame da go mi amu ball short no achire no aka say unimu go to see them da there be ameka bi.